When editing a document, we can mark specific contents quickly with the following features. 1. Change case. Take this document as an example. If we want to change the case of the selected contents, click Change Case in the Home tab. In the pop-up dialog, we can select lowercase, uppercase, and capitalize each word, etc. according to our needs. 2. Enclose characters. If we want to enclose a character, such as a number in the document, select it and click Enclose Characters in the Home tab. In the pop-up dialog, we can select its style and set more details. When we have finished, click OK to apply it. 3. Character border. If we want to quickly apply character borders to selected text, click Character Borders in the Home tab. What a practical feature! Did you get it?